A dream wedding by the harbour, followed by a hostile reception from the Premier.
That is exactly the type of behaviour that risks it for everybody.
There were guests from the Northern Beaches, and police say so were the bride and groom. 12 people have been fined for breaching stay-at-home orders.
Obviously the bride and groom were involved in it, and again that's subject to further investigation.
A concerning party at Bronte on Christmas Day could also have consequences for backpackers. The Commonwealth is threatening to cancel visas.
Visitors to Australia need to be very clear that if they breach public health orders, they are threatening the health and safety of Australians, and the federal government will look at their visas.
The latest case numbers in New South Wales remain a concern. There are 3 new locally acquired cases, all linked to the Avalon cluster. But outside of the official count, 3 other new cases have surfaced. One in the northern suburbs, one in the inner west, and the other comes from Wollongong. That person had recently been to the Sydney CBD. At the moment, the source of these infections can't be traced, which has authorities worried, and testing rates have dropped. There were 16,000 yesterday, which would usually be okay, but right now, New South Wales Health wants the number to be closer to 30,000 a day.
That will give us the greatest assurance we're not missing those transmission events, particularly outside that Northern Beaches area.
As we see time move on, the threat in Greater Sydney is almost becoming as equal to parts of the Northern Beaches.
And the threat of New Year's Eve being a super spreader event looms large. People are again being urged to stay home, while police promise to crack down on crowds.
Police officers will be equipped with powers under the health order to move people on should they be congregating in numbers that are unsafe.
Queensland Police have used their powers after 5 people from Sydney allegedly lied to cross the border. They were found in Surfers Paradise and fined $4,000 each.
So it's been a very expensive journey for those people, and I think it serves as a warning.
All are now paying to be in hotel quarantine. Ashley Raper, ABC News, Sydney.